Welcome to Engine Explorer, where machines meet dreams. And today, we're stepping into a camper van that just rewrote the rulebook. This isn't your average van with a mattress and a microwave. This is the 2026 camper van, and yes, like to be. Really has a bedroom, full kitchen, and an actual cinema setup inside. Compact on the outside, jaw-dropping on the inside. Let's dive into what might be the smartest, most luxurious camper build of the year. From the outside, it looks sleek, minimal, and purpose-built. High roofline, blacked-out trim, solar panel array across the roof, and all-terrain tires that hint it's ready for more than just pavement. But step through the automatic side door, and the transformation begins. The first thing that hits you: the lighting. Soft LED strips line the ceiling, cabinets, and floor edges, giving the entire space a warm, futuristic glow. To the left, the lounge zone. It features two facing bench seats, premium vegan leather, and a telescoping table that transforms into a work desk, dining area, or flat surface for gaming. And above, a drop-down projector screen folds out seamlessly from a recessed ceiling slot. Hidden speakers kick in with spatial surround. And boom, you're in a mini cinema wherever you've parked. Movies, streaming, gaming, all connected via satellite. Or 5G booster, right behind the lounge, the kitchen, and I'm not talking gas burner and plastic sink. We're talking dual burner induction, stove stainless steel farmhouse. Sink pull-out pantry, 3-in-1. Oven, microwave, air fryer, compact smart fridge with freezer drawer. Powered by a Solar Plus lithium-ion battery system that gives you off-grid capability for up to a week. And everything is touch-controlled or voice-activated using the van's onboard Smart Assistant. Now let's talk bedroom, because this is where it gets cozy. A sliding partition reveals a full-length sleeping pod at the rear, with a memory foam queen-size mattress. Reading lights, dual USB-C ports, and even a roof hatch skylight for stargazing at night. You also get custom shelving, built-in wardrobes, and climate zones. Yes, you can have your bed at 68 degrees Fahrenheit while the lounge stays warmer. Next to the sleeping area is your compact wet bath, complete with a cassette toilet, rainfall shower, and retractable sink. Every inch of this build is space maximized, right down to the mirror that doubles as a touch display for water levels, battery, and temperature. So, who is this for? Digital nomads, adventurers, minimalists, who want maximum luxury, and anyone ready to ditch rent and live with freedom without sacrificing comfort or tech. At around $145,000. This 2026 camper van might sound pricey, but compared to homeownership, travel expenses, and hotel life, this is rolling value that pays for itself if you use it right. It's sleek, it's silent, it's off-grid ready, and it's everything a luxury apartment should be. On wheels, if this blew your mind like it did mine. Hit that like button and subscribe for more machines that push the limits of design and freedom. This is Engine Explorer, and the road just became your new living room.